I'm Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. And today we'll be looking at numbers 31 through 35 of my list of the 100 top traders. Now today we'll be doing something a little different. We'll be looking at the Motley Fool Caps, number 3 rated analyst, and that right now is the goldminingXpert. And we'll also be looking at number 32, TMFEldrehad, and number 33, the Motley Fool's best Wall Street trackers. Now this is a professional trader going under the screen name of TrackEdwardOwens. Then we'll be looking at number 34, Yale University, and number 35, Lone Pine Capital. Now this strategy has done so well for me. It's put me in the top 3% in the most recent CNBC tournament with returns of over 53%. And you can see how it's done for me in previous tournaments. Now what we merely do is follow the picks from the most successful investors out there. And I find their plays through such free websites as Stock Picker, the Motley Fool Caps, and Covestor. Then I get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. Now again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of March 17, 2009. Now first we look at Lone Pine Capital. Of all of his plays in his portfolio, he has MSM, AMX, and Apple coming in as moderate buys this week. Next we look at Yale University's portfolio. They have Celgene and Kraft coming in as moderate buys. Now again, as I mentioned before, we'll be doing something a little different this time. This is the Motley Fool Caps best rated Wall Street trader. And he goes under the screen name of Edward Owens. Now, since he has so many plays, we are only looking at his plays that rank a 5-star from the Motley Fool Caps. And those are NVO, BDX, J&J, LH, OMI, AGN, HSP, SIAL. All of those come in as moderate buys this week. Again here, this is one of the top performing analysts on the Motley Fools, TMFEldrehad. And we are only looking at his calls that rate 5 stars on the Motley Fool Caps. Now he has Philip Morris coming in as a strong buy. And then for the moderate buys, we have TNP, ASEI, AZZ, LUFK, QSII, Akamai, MRH coming in as moderate buys. And finally today we have number 31, the Motley Fool Caps, 3rd best analyst, and they go under the screen name of goldminingXpert. Again, we're only looking at the plays that rate 5 stars on the Motley Fool Caps. And he has coal, which comes in as a strong buy, and fan, which rates a moderate buy this week. So again, in review, the strong buys are coal and Philip Morris, and the moderate buys are here for you as well. So again, I'd like to remind you, all analyst recommendations are as of March 17, 2009. And what we merely did was get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. And if you'd like a more up-to-date rating, you could simply put these portfolios in the appropriate websites to get their answers and a more up-to-date reading for yourself. So again, on to my disclosure disclaimer. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. Also, I currently own shares of coal. So, again, this is Brian Mckeon from JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time, folks. I'm a whale watcher.